Here for this question, we're going to consider whether or not these statements are true or false, and all these all these statements have to do with resonance. So taking a look at the first statement, it says two resonance structures differ only in the placement of terminal atoms around the central atom. So that is false because for resonance structures, the placements of the atoms are all the same. It's just a matter of how the atoms are bonded to the central atom. Are they a single bond? Are they a double bond? And how that's bonded will change for resonance. So taking a look at the second statement, it says the chloride ion ClO2 minus exhibits resonance. So to determine whether or not that's true, let's draw out what chloride ion looks like. So it's actually a true statement because if you draw out these ions, we have two resonance structures we can get. So as you can see, we're moving where the double bond is located from this oxygen here to this oxygen here. So the real structure of this chloride ion is actually somewhere in between these two structures. It's neither this nor that. It's somewhere in between. So this also kind of shows why the first statement here is false. Our terminal atoms are not changing where they are. It's the same. It's just the matter of bonds moving. So for statement number 3, any molecule for which there are multiple minor contributors exhibit resonance. So this is actually false because, for example, if you look at this is our major species, or this is our most stable drawing that we can make for our structure. However, you technically can draw these other structures here where you have formal charges on your oxygen and your nitrogen, or your carbon actually as well. But these structures are going to play a really minor role. You're probably not going to see them at all, actually. They're not going to contribute much to resonance or resonance at all because they're not very stable. So because you only have one major contribution, you need more than one major contribution in order for you to have resonance. So this statement is actually false, that having multiple minor contributors does not mean you have resonance. You need at least 2 major contributors. So finally, we get to our fourth statement. It says here that minor contributors are resonance structures which contribute a lot to the overall structure of a molecule. So again, using the logic that we have from statement number 3, minor contributors aren't very stable structures that you can draw, so at the end, they're not going to actually contribute a lot to the overall structure of the molecule.